I'm here with another layout. My background is basil cardstock, and that green layer there, that is cut from Heidi Swap Color Fresh. It's the reverse side of the black and white striped pattern, and you'll see that. The other half I use in the next layout. All right, Coco. Hey! Oh, she ain't listening. She's drinking all the kitty's water. Stop drinking all the cat's water. Drink Coco's water. No, don't even sniff at Patton's food. No, ma'am. No, stop whining. So I'm going to put my photo on white cardstock and then rip the edges and ink those up in black ink. And I'm going to cut 2 cards and some banners from this Vicki Boutin Color Kaleidoscope paper. Alright. Ow. My side hurt. Alright, so we got those down, and now it's time for embellishing. So I'm going to use some chipboard stickers, which are Pink Fresh Studio Horizon from the May kit. And these pictures, I was on my way home from the salon. She trimmed my hair and gave me a trim, and then she just decided, I guess she didn't have anybody else after me, so she curled it for me. What, Coco? You can wait a second. Hush. I didn't take her on her walk, so she's wanting to play fetch. And she was limping last night on her leg, so I think she's getting arthritis in it from all the fetch she's done. She jumps up and gets the ball. She runs like she's in a race. So she heard it yesterday. So she was limping too much fetch yesterday while I was mowing. So no walk this morning and no fetch so far. And she's feeling it, I guess. She's whining, and I know what she wants. I'll let her outside, but I'm not playing fetch. So I'm going to title this Sparkle and Shine, and I know Sparkle and Shine are American Craft Sparkle Thickers, but the ampersand is the just a die cut from a past kit. All right, Coco, roger that. You have to wait a minute. But let me make sure, because it's been a little while since I've done this layout. Shush! I'll be right with you. If you're not good, I won't vacuum. You hear me? I said vacuum. I will lock you up in a room and vacuum without you. Do you hear me? I'm going to vacuum later, not now. Alright, so I'm just adhere. Oh, see, there's my wren. She's looking for the food in the backyard, girl. Oh, you need outside? Alright, I'll let you outside in just a second. Give me 2 minutes. Huh? 2 minutes. Man, Coco, your joint is cracking like crazy. Her knee sounds like my ankles. I don't even know if this is how it was. Okay, so once I get my die cuts all down and I'm satisfied with those, I am going to add my title. My title is going to be Sparkle, which is an already made title from the American Crafts Sparkle Thickers. And Shine is also American Crafts Sparkle Thickers. And the ampersand is from, it's just an ampersand that is from a past hip kit. And then that will complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys.